I'm retired, should I get solar panels? It depends. There are several factors you should think about when considering installing solar panels in retirement. What are your retirement goals? Maintain a cash buffer for emergencies. If installing solar panels would eat away at your emergency buffer, then it might not be suitable. Increase self-sufficiency and protect against rising prices. Installing solar panels is a good option to protect against rising prices and reduce electricity bills. To move house. If you are planning to move house, then it may be worth putting off a solar installation until you are in your new home. Ensure living costs are less than retirement income. Annuity rates are very low, starting from just 2.5%. It may be better to earn 9 to 11% in savings. You would also own a large portion of your energy supply, increasing self-sufficiency and protecting against rising prices. Offset your impact on the environment. Installing solar panels is probably the easiest and most effective thing you can do to help the environment. Keep the grandchildren happy. Schools are increasingly teaching children the importance of sustainability and renewable energy. You'll be able to show off your new solar panel installation and show them all the benefits it provides. Find out how your home could benefit from installing the latest solar panels. Get a free design and quote from liat.co.uk today.